Dr. Visionary. I'm here to help you. The key is perfect health depends on perfect circulation. The consciousness of right doing is the best medicine. For those of you who always have back problem, you need the circulation, you need the stretching, okay? If you eat, you have to exercise. If you eat, you need stretching. And you see, very simple that I use my hand put on here, and then we just do the touching, God do the healing. Can everybody say amen? So just work on the spine. Spine are very important because there's a lot of nervous system get into the organ inside. So when I do massage, when I do touching, I'm not only touching the muscle or the fascia or the bone, or I'm work directly into the organ. Perfect health depends on perfect circulation. Your diet is very important. Your mental health is very important. And you praise God is very important. I don't do the healing. God do the healing. I just facilitate. Okay? Just very work on the back here. And then slowly touch the side of the spine. Okay? That's it. As light as possible. As light as possible. Number one, safety comfort. Number two, safety comfort. Number three, safety comfort. Tender, very soft and tender. Okay, and then in this way that you are already helping, no second damage. That's very important. And then you just work on it. And then if you see any bump, any knot, just very lightly and then tenderly that you just do the manipulation. Just work on that whenever this problem. Okay, then you can work a little bit on the shoulder. No, just bend a little bit. Just bend a little bit. Okay. If there's shoulder problem, you just lift up the shoulder. You can put this way, and then gently up here, and then just do some massage here. You can solve some of the shoulder problem. Very gentle. The key is gentle, gentle, gentle. God bless you.